Parallel ports transmit data in parallel, 8 bits at a time, like an 8-lane highway of ones and zeros. They're almost always female at the computer. They're commonly used by printers, and the IEEE 1284 standards for parallel ports require backward compatibility with previous technology. If you're going to buy a printer, for example, if you're going to buy a DeskJet at a computer store, or if you're going to buy a BubbleJet printer at a computer store, you may as well go ahead and spend the additional money to get the IEEE 1284 cable. You can get a less expensive cable, but the IEEE 1284 says that that cable has been tested and that it will work well on that printer. If you call for technical support, that may be one of the first questions that they ask you is, do you have an IEEE 1284 certified cable? The cable, of course, will have two ends. On one end is a Centronics connection, and on the other end will be a parallel 25-pin, or also called a DB 25-pin connection. On the cable, this will be a male connection because the port on the computer will be female. Now, parallel ports have evolved over the years as well. The first parallel ports, now called standard parallel ports, also called a Centronics port, only had one direction of flow and had a slow speed. Enhanced parallel ports are bidirectional, much faster, and they're covered in the IEEE 1284 standard. And then extended capabilities parallel ports are made even faster because they can use a DMA channel, and therefore they can access memory without bothering the processor. But parallel ports have increased in speed and in their ability to transfer information over the years. But a still newer and even more sophisticated type of port is the Universal Serial Bus. And we'll talk about the USB port next.